Hello,
Hi,
how are you doing?
I'm going cooking.
Oh, very
Breakfast
good.
and lunch.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Very good. Right now you are cooking?
Yes.
Oh, very good. You are cooking for lunch.
My friend.
Oh, your friend is very, very cute. And
Oh,
you are also cute. What are you cooking? What are you cooking for lunch?
hide egg.
Show me your dish, okay? What are you cooking? Show me, please.
Later, I cut my nails.
Oh, very good. You're cooking at the same time you are cutting your nails. Very strange. At the time of cooking, you are cutting nails. Very strange. Do you like cooking?
Yes.
Where is your mother?
Wait. There.
Oh, very good. So you are cooking. So you are cooking. Are you doing job or are you a student?
I am a mother of two.
You have two child.
Yes.
Oh, very good. So where are your children?
There. Hey, saan si Jacob?
Oh, over there. Very good. And my dear friend.
That is my baby.
Oh, very good. And what's your name, please? What's your name, please?
Name?
Yeah. Name,
This is my
please.
family.
Oh, very good. Nice family. Okay, nice family. You all are very cordial, very friendly. I like it. So, what's your name,
My
please?
name is Rosalie.
Oh, very good. Nice name. Why am I asking a lot of questions?
Not yet.
Actually, I'm here to talk foreigners. Okay. I'd like to improve my English. Okay, so I like to ask you questions so that I can improve my English. So I ask you. Okay, don't mind, please. Do you like traveling?